And so today we are going to be making our pause menu using GUI stuff. So this is going to be mainly scripting, I think. So create a JavaScript and call it, I don't know, I'm going to call it pause script. Oops. Script. Enter. And then open it up. And Unitron, or whatever you use, will open up. And it's still loading. I have it open, but that doesn't have the right one, I don't think. So after MonoDevelop stops jumping, and it'll be ready. So in this one, we'll be making the pause script. We might add the player health, but there we go. Okay. So as I said before, if you only have one, you have to click on it to open it up. But if you have two, you can just scroll back and forth and use these. So first, what we have to do is get rid of the function start and the pragma strict, and we have to create two variables. One called, and var stands for variable, called paused, which is of type boolean, and it is false. You have to add semicolons. Semicolons are just a way of saying, I guess, take a break, sort of. It's like a period in English. Var my check is, I think we need that. I'm not sure we need that is equal to false. Well, better to put it if you don't need it. And for booleans, you should normally start it at false if it's something like pause or something. But if it's something like plain, you should set it to true first. Otherwise, it won't work. So inside the function update button thing, you don't need to put that down there. I just like to put if input dot get button down, and then put two quotes and put pause. I'm just gonna save that right there. And to make a pause button, because we put get button down, go into project settings input, and this is what you should probably have. Make the size to 16 and it'll duplicate jump. Call it pause like you did in the original thing, and let's make it P so that you hit pause to save it. Okay, there we go. So if we press that, so if it's paused, hit oops, and function update is something, it's called every second, so it updates it every second, and it's the function. I've never understood why these are here. Somebody can comment why, that'd be helpful. I'll give you credit. And these are saying every function this happens, so this is a way of saying when this happens in between. So we need more curly braces to say if you push P, it pauses. And so if it pauses, this happens, and whatever's inside of it is what happens. So I'm going to put another if statement. If exclamation point pause, which means it's not paused, close it, then we need to pause it. So to do that, you need to put time.timescale, which is just the time, is equal to 0. So you can't do anything. And paused is equal to true. True. And then close that off and say else. Open this up. Time.timescale, so is equal to 1, and pause has to be equal to false. So what we just did here is if it's not paused, make it paused, and if it is paused, make it not paused. So let's just save this, and clear. Oops, line 18. I must have missed something. Okay, well, there we go. You happy now? That just means I missed I put one. clear. Save. Oh well, whatever. So let's drag pause script up onto that. And what the heck? Well, we can fix that. Okay. Ew, not minus, is equal to 1. And see how it says at line 13 down here? Now if I save it, and I go to here and I clear. Did I save it? I think I saved it. There we go. So it cleared. So now if I hit play, and once it starts playing, sorry about this, guys. Oops, that's just the pastebin thing. And I hit pause. Oops, I hit pause. I can't do anything. See? And I unpause. I can. Can't do anything. Unpause. I can. Pause in midair. Pauses. Can't do anything. Unpause. I can. Okay, so we want that, but normally when you pause, there should be buttons up here or over here or something. So that's what we're going to do next. So put on a function on GUI, saying on the GUI, which is I forget exactly what it is, but it's the way I make buttons and stuff. If paused, then do something. So if GUI.button, so if the GUI button is pressed, we need to set the dimensions for it. So let's say rect 10 by 50 by 100. 30, I think, would work. And then see what it says. So let's say resume. Boom, boom. Then time scale is equal to 1.0 f. Yes, the f is supposed to be there. Paused is equal to false. So that only comes up when it's paused. Close that off. And if GUI.button rect 10 by 90 by 100 by 30. Yes, that's right. Okay, then put a comma and say options, which we will work with a lot later. So we don't want anything in there, so let's just go boom, boom. Close that off. Same thing with the next one. Rect 10 by 130 by 100 by 30. Close. Let's say quit. And you can add more buttons if you want. Just use the dimensions. You might be adding more buttons later. And then finally close off the final one and save that. So now this should work if I didn't have compiler errors. Okay, so the first one at line 31. Where did it find the comma? Oh, maybe I needed to do that. I think that's all right, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I forgot the GUI button here. Sorry, guys. GUI dot button. Oops. I feel so stupid right now. Now. I saved it, didn't I? And at line 35, add another one. Save it. There we go. I think that's good. Did I save it? Let's see. There we go. Okay, so now we hit play, and once it starts, sorry, there will probably be lag because there's I mean, there probably won't be lag for you, but it's because I'm recording that there will probably be lag. Okay, there we go. And I hit P. It pauses. I zoom. It unpauses. It'll keep going. Pause. Rinse and quit. Don't do anything yet. Resume. It unpauses. And you can pause it while falling off. Down forever and ever and ever. Won't look like you're falling at all, because the camera is following it, so it looks like it's just staying still, and it's a glitch. So, let's see how much time we're at now. Yeah, this will be a shorter one. It'll just be the pause. So yeah, can't wait to see you next time. Again, any questions, just comment. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.